Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on a day to share with you a prize that I won on Instagram, and it's from this company right here, From Lizi, and it's a scrapbooking company, and they have scrapbooking kits, and I won a kit, and I just wanted to share with you guys this kit. It's so super cute, and you're gonna be amazed at how many goodies come with this kit. So let me just share with you what's in this kit. All right, so first of all, you get a really pretty bag of sequence mix. Look at those pretty colors, gorgeous. And then you get a sticker book. Look at these pretty stickers, and they're gold. And you get a whole booklet of stickers. I mean, how cute are these stickers? They're gold foil. Oh, so lovely, be awesome, hooray, dream big, fabulous, sweet moments, live the life you love. I mean, super, super cute. So you get a whole sticker book, awesome. I cannot wait to play with this kit. Then you also get a paper pack. So let me just do a flip through. Look how adorable this is. Look at those cute hearts. Absolutely adorable. And the cupcakes, it's like a birthday theme, and that's exactly what it is, birthday theme. You get this really pretty gold sheet, and oh my gosh, these are adhesive stickers. This is the first time I'm looking at this, you guys. So look, you get these thin lines that peel up, that's adhesive. Oh, that's really cool. So I can use that to embellish. You get a stamp set, and look how super cute these stamps are. It says, happy birthday to you, birthday, happy, and then it has all the numbers. Look how cute. It's a special day, it's your birthday. Oh my gosh, what an adorable stamp set. Oh my goodness. And then you get a sheet of gold glitter paper, gorgeous. And then I was really excited when I saw these dies, you guys. Look at, they have dies in the kit. Yay, y'all know I love my dies, right? All right, let's look and see. I'm not even sure what they say. Oh, it says happy birthday. Okay, so let me just turn it over. It's a happy birthday die, and then also this really cute banner die with the little stars. How super cute is that? So yay, you get a die, two dies with this kit. So this is a birthday themed kit. Look, you get these Nouveau Drops, which I love playing with, and I can't wait to try these. And look how pretty the color is. Yay, I love Nouveau Drops because the bling, so cute, right? And then it comes with all of this coordinating cardstock. So you get mint green, black, white, like a pastel yellow, and a pretty pink. So it coordinates with the paper, and it looks like, oh, this is a chalkboard sheet. Oh, that's so cool. How awesome is that? So it actually comes with this is chalkboard. That's super cool. All right, and then you get 12 by 12 sheets of paper. So look it's really cute birthday themed paper. How adorable, love it. Oh my goodness. So, oh, and it's double-sided, so you get a front, and then this is the back. It has some cut-aparts. And then you get this side, and then let's see what's on the back of this one. And then you get this side. Oh, that's really pretty. So, excuse me, you can cut these out and embellish your project. And then you get this really pretty heart paper with all the different hearts. Super, super pretty. So that is the 12 by 12 sheet. So you get a few sheets of those, and then you also get stickers, and these look like you can color them. Oh wow! So you can actually color these stickers, and they're self-adhesive. But how cute is that? Okay, so you get that, and then you get ribbon. Look, you get all these different fibers: gold, yellow, pastel. They all coordinate with the paper. Yay. And then you get a diamond embellishment, and it's like a heart. And then you get this one right here. And then you also get these little wood hearts. It looks like there's 4 in there, or 5. They look like that. Really, really cute. And then what else do you get? Oh wow, you get some of this gold flaking material. And I haven't used this before, so I'm gonna have to play with it and I'll let you guys know how it works, but that's super cool. I think I've seen some card makers here on YouTube use this, so I'll have to figure that out. And then you get 2 diamond clips. And then lastly, you get, looks like you get these adhesive arrow stickers, and they're glass. How pretty is that? So that is an awesome kit that I won, Crafty Not Shifty. This is the website. In case you guys want to check this out and look at their kits, that is the information. I'll just share it with you in case you want to go and check out the website and check out this company. And I'll just come up really closely so you guys can see. Go to www.lovefromlizi.com and check out what they're selling, check out their kits. This is an amazing kit, and I can't believe I won, so yay, thank you, thank you. All right, that's all I have today to share with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.